She stands there, looking up, fingers splayed out above her head, curling as if she could scrape the clouds overhead together into a soft bundle to hold, cuddle, bury her face in. The breeze tosses her feathery curls, and they glint in the sunlight as she squeals with delight at the clouds' changing shape. She runs around the field, sometimes jumping up only as high as her tiny legs will let her, trying to fly up and zoom through the cotton and candy floss like some airborne dolphin darting in and out of cloudy waves. "Daddy, look!" she shouts. "It's a kitty!" I look to where her finger points. Sure enough, there it is, as if I'm looking through her blue eyes, and I'm a child once more. A kitten, curled up as if asleep, like my little one in the mornings, with a smile on her face, dreaming, no doubt, of swimming with the cloud kittens. My little skyscraper.
I have another note card given to me by Sumalee with some of her poetry, and that's lovely. Thank you very much, Sumalee. And the first on this one is Valentine's Muse. Love is this breath between us, this life, mercy. Take me, my love, to your mountain top, grasp my hand of remorse. This is your muse of destiny's course. Play my gentle chords of purity, love my every step as I yours. Paint me with your tears of joy. Be my Valentine or my Valentino. Alas, I'm but a subject to your command. Oh, wow. And the next one is called Natural Evolution. Rain falls, no snow. Where is my Christmas of years ago? No snow to throw, no snow to eat, only the rain puddles deep, run through slash on feet. Why is the weather in confusion? Is it global warming or natural evolution? Yeah, we don't know really. Maybe some of both.
Nice.
Yeah, the
stuff.
next one is called... I have two more.
You have two more? Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. I'll shut up.
Yeah, it's just because they are all on one note card, so... The next one is called Fall. Leaves are falling, days are windy, cold breezes flowing all anew. Coats abundant morning frost, let thee bitter dew. Summer's lost. Now, that was Fall. Short and to the point, let's say. And the last one is called To Love. Pleasantries, fairies and fair, lovers and loving, everywhere, emotions unyielding, twice as appealing. Red poppies for dinner, sweet lilies to roast, love of people of any reproach. All beings are living, with you in their hearts. You capture them willingly and tear them apart. Sweet love is sent from above, as from the dove of love. Merriment feast to your power, this your loveliest hour. Letters and calls cool your temper, for you are a fool of winter. And that of summer babies flourish from that winter's lodgings, with you abound, little hearts then beat your sound. The young love at will, they are not tied down, but you save the greatest power for their truest love, and for that date you await, when they weep for their mate. You then open that gate and let yourself in. This is your fin.
Well, I've got another one by Ulrich. Another one of his that he thankfully sent in English. Merci, Ulrich. This is his poem called Raven's Wing. She lingers in the rain, collecting the burnished drops falling from bitter Mother Moon. She wears them as a necklace, stifling stolidly her neck like humdrum shackles. I see her every day, dressed in her usual black shrouds, wishing under the raven's wing that the rain will blow away. That was Ravenswing by Ulrich Lionheart. Thank you, Ulrich.
I have a poem given to me by Don Juan Ryder. He wrote it earlier today. And it's called Marshmallows at the End of Time. So, Marshmallows at the End of Time by Don Juan Ryder. Set in on a witch's cavern today, they had this to say. 2012, 21st of December, this date you must remember. The Mayans predicted the earth will be afflicted. It'll come to its ends. Are you listening, friends? They were toasting marshmallows and their avatars were still. The conversation moved on, what to do with the time to kill. The idea was that the world is waking up, because all agreed humanity needed shaking up. I asked how it was to live in constant anticipation, based on a prophecy from a dead civilization, and how exactly one could prepare, what to do here and now about getting then and there. My concern was for the mind state. You do know the way to know if a prophecy is accurate. You just wait.
Rosemary, Serenity. And this is her poem, one of her latest poems, a very special recipe. They say cooking is an art, and that art comes from the heart. I am afraid I can't quite agree, because even though I cook, I don't have a heart, you see. I will roll my eyes at whoever confidently says that every single being owns a red blood pump. Because, my friend, listen to me when I say, not every being is human, not every being has veins. Oh, please don't run away yet, my dear. Have a seat, and for you I shall prepare a special treat. Ignore the wild thoughts that cross my empty head. I blame the wind, for it is he who leaves them there. It's almost ready. Wait a moment. Trust me. Already added the sulk and the fresh dead bones. Already added his picture and two of my spider's right thumbs. Now it's time for the dynamite, as I'm afraid I have no red-hot peppers left. Oh, there, it's done. Taste it, and you will see that after this you will no longer stay up all night thinking about his, you know. Thank you, Rosemary.
And I have one by Sabreman. And it's called I Know My God. The heavens display his power every single hour. Be it star or moon or flower, it's all in tune with the sun and the moon. The heavens send light and love from God above. The water falls to the earth below, and in his wisdom there we sow. His light, it shines into my heart, it has done from the very start, and when his wisdom there I see, I know my God will always be. So when you're feeling down and out, don't get angry or start to shout, just look up and say a prayer. Remember who really does care. Remember he's always there. So don't despair, because my God, he answers prayer. He will lift your spirits too, because he really does love you. And that's by Sabreman Carter.
This is a little short one here that Stosh passed me by Roger McGough, and I hope I pronounced that right. This is called Cake. I wanted one life. You wanted another. We couldn't have our cake, so we ate each other. Cake by Roger McGough. I told you it was short.